police in the Quad Cities have issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Johnson County until 8:30 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Cliff Falls, or 11 miles south of Cedar Rapids, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include quarter-size hail. Damage to vehicles is expected. This severe thunderstorm will be near Coralville and North Liberty around 8 p.m. Sandy Beach Campground and Twin View Heights around 8:05 p.m. Solon, Lake McBride State Park, Sugar Bottom Campground, Coralville Lake Dam Complex and West Overlook around 8:10 p.m. Iowa City and Newport around 8:15 p.m. Morse and Elmira around 8:20 p.m. Sutliff and Oasis around 8:25 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Newport, Elmira, Morse, S.W. Kent Park, Sugar Bottom Campground, Cliff Falls, West Overlook, Twin View Heights, Sandy Beach Campground, and Oasis. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for east central Iowa. Take cover now. A tornado watch remains in effect until midnight for east central Iowa.